Major marijuana test that involves 4 people from right here in the tri-state is over tonight.
The deal comes 15 months after their arrests on felony drug counts. Dwayne Poland was the only television reporter inside the courtroom when this surprising deal was announced.
When Deron Elliot, Amanda Meyer, Stephanie Kidwell, and Ian Overton walked into this Toledo courtroom, they still faced drug charges that could have landed each of them in prison for more than 33 years.
We was charged with 6 major felonies apiece.
Charges that began with their arrests on February 24th last year.
If I can get everyone put their hands up on the seat for me.
Troopers found more than 10 pounds of medical marijuana in their car. Even though Ohio's medical marijuana program had not officially begun, all carried medical cards issued by a doctor.
But that's not legal in Ohio.
They were arrested, and their charges turned into a test of when marijuana in Ohio is still considered against the law.
You got to prove yourself innocent here in Toledo.
For months, prosecutors tried to cut a deal to reduce those charges and get convictions. All 4 rejected the offers.
They just wanted to get us to cop out to anything.
But today, they did. In exchange for Elliot and Overton each pleading no contest to 1 misdemeanor marijuana possession charge, all the charges against Meyer and Kidwell are dropped. Nothing
Nothing at all.
Elliot and Overton each get 1 year of probation. All of them are free to go. Are you happy?
No, not really.
It would have been a victory of full dismissal.
Still, in a case that could have resulted in serious prison time, this group's day in court is a huge victory.
You should fight for yourself. That's, I think, the message.
While this high-profile case is now over, it's unclear whether the outcome here will have an impact on other cases where people claim they too had medical marijuana but continue to face felony drug charges and the prospect of decades in prison. In Toledo, I'm Dwayne Pullman, Local 12 News.
One of those big cases yet to be decided involves a couple Dwayne interviewed last year. Glenn Keeling and his wife Peggy Kimmel live in Rockford, Ohio. Kimmel suffers from MS. Keeling has Crohn's disease. Both say the marijuana seized at their home in 2017 was approved by a doctor as medicine, yet each faces up to 56 years in prison. Keeling tells us they've not been offered any plea deals.
Cincinnati